Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wausau County in north-central Illinois, Delaware County in north-central Illinois, Boone County in north-central Illinois, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:02 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Council Hill to near Mount Carroll to near Anowin to near Galesburg, moving east at 70 miles an hour. These are very dangerous storms. Hazard, 80 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. The strong winds may last for more than 30 minutes. Source, automated wind measurements. There have been multiple measured wind gusts of 80 miles an hour across the Quad Cities with this line of storms. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include DeKalb, Belvedere, Loves Park, Ottawa, Sycamore, Streator, Peru, Wausau, Sandwich, Mendota, Poplar Grove, Genoa, Marseille, Sheridan, Shabona, Candlewick Lake, Lake Holiday, Cortland, Oglesby, and Cherry Valley. Including the following interstates: I-39 between mile markers 41 and 77. I-80 between mile markers 73 and 103. I-88 between mile markers 83 and 101. I-90 between mile markers 19 and 31. This includes Northern Illinois University, Sandwich Fairgrounds, Boone County Fairgrounds, Buffalo Rock State Park, Allegheny State Park, Illinois Valley Community College, Mathewson State Park, Starved Rock State Park, and Tri-County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Joe Daviess County in northwestern Illinois, Stephenson County in northwestern Illinois, until 2:30 p.m. At 2:03 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Massbach to 6 miles southwest of Pearl City to near Lanark, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. These are very dangerous storms. Hazard, 80 miles an hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Freeport, Lena, Pearl City, Shadarville, Davis, Dakota, German Valley, Rock City, Randolph, Buena Vista, Lauren, Rock Grove, Orangeville, Kent, Leroy, Damascus, Scioto Mills, Wenatchee, Almoville, and Stephenson County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. This is an extremely dangerous situation. These storms are producing widespread wind damage. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A severe